Hi everyone, welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is January 5th, 2025, and I'm here with the latest Bod Hatapalooza hat of the week, which was picked by Laura, Mad Mammy's Crochet and Farming. I will link her channel below if you're interested in joining Bod Hatapalooza. If you're curious, which I'm sure everybody mostly everyone here that's watching my channel knows who Crystal Abago-Day is. So Crystal has thousands and thousands of, I think it's over 6,000 free tutorials on YouTube. Anything from scarves to hats to sweaters to blankets, stitch tutorials, yarn unboxing. It's, as I said, I think everyone who's watching my channel knows who Crystal Abago-Day is. But Bod Hatapalooza is the brainchild of Laura, Mad Mammy's Crochet and Farming, where Laura picks one of Crystal Abago-Day's beanie hat patterns, and her subscribers, we all, I don't generally partake of all the Bod Hatapaloozas, but I do when Laura picks one of the fun hats to make. And Laura has decided that for 2025, once a month, she's going to pick a fun hat to make because I've been making her fun hats that she's picked for the past few months for my younger sister who loves all the crazy hats. And I'm so thankful to Laura for doing this because it gives me the drive to do it, I should say, and it's a lot of fun. So this week, Laura picked the Abominable Snowman Bumble hat. The original pattern is by Rachel Sahlberg, and it's a free pattern on Ravelry, and I will link it below. So as you'll see, it's a snowman from Rudolph Bumble. The beanie itself is a Bago-Day beanie. It's her basic beanie, which I did in white. And now I'm going to take this off. Okay, so I made this with loops and threads from Michael's. Actually, it's the Impeccable in white. And then this color is, I believe it was Glacier. And then some black I had in my stash. And actually the fur I had in my stash, I believe it's Lion Brand, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so it was a lot of fun. And I know my sister is going to really love wearing it. And I was going to wait until Wednesday to make a video. But those of us here in the United States, the entire midsection of the United States is currently under Snowmageddon. This huge snowstorm blanketing half of the United States. The midsection, I should say. So I thought this was appropriate to bring out Bumble, because he's the Abominable Snowman. And I think he's all right. I think it came out pretty good. Yeah, it's a little big for me, but I think it'll fit the intended person. I think it'll fit her perfectly. But yeah, a lot of fun. And thank you, Laura, for doing this. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. So speaking of Laura, every week, another brainchild of Laura, Mad Mammy's Crochet and Farming, is the Year in Dishcloths. And those of you who watch my channel, every week I do whatever pattern Laura picks she picks it out of a little baggie. We are on spring. I'm going to link her channel if you're interested. Go watch her videos. It's Wipeout Wednesdays is the hashtag. This week was the Forget-Me-Not because we're doing spring. And yeah, I thought this came out really pretty. I'm liking it. This cotton is predominantly, most of it is I Love This Cotton from Hobby Lobby. And some of it is Mainstays cotton. But yeah, I do mine in 100% cotton. You could use it as a wash rag. You could use it as a hot pad, dishcloth, whatever you want to do with it. You can make it whatever color goes with your home. But yeah, so 2 makes because of Laura, Mad Mamie's Crochet and Farming. She makes crocheting a lot of fun. And they're great little projects to do that doesn't take a long time. Unlike what I'm wearing, which is my asymmetrical shawl. I finally decided to use my pickle jar, which was the Aberdeen Wool Tangled Poets pickle jar, which I think there were 40 something mini hanks, micro minis of superwash merino in all different colors. And I decided to, what my kit came with knitting needles, and I do not knit, although I plan on learning how to knit this year. I just crocheted it up in an asymmetrical shawl. I have a few more minis to add. Maybe, I think I have 3 more, and then I'm done. But yeah, so it's just an asymmetrical shawl. I'm saying a scarf because it's really not big enough to be a shawl, but it's a great scarf for the winter. And what's great is you can wear it. It goes with any color you can possibly. It's got every color of the rainbow. And yeah, everything from purples to blues to browns to yellows, oranges, all the way to pink. Yeah. So yeah, this taking a little longer than my fun ones, but I'm almost done, and I will gift it to someone, and either that, maybe keep it myself. But as I said, it goes with every color. A lot of fun, and it's nice yarn. Superwash merino, Tangled Poets at Aberdeen Wool in Canada, and I think mostly everybody's familiar. A lot are familiar with the pickle jar, but yeah, the yarn is very nice. So that's my video. It's Sunday. We thought we were going to get snow here where I am, but I think we're going to just skid past it, staying south of us, which is fine with me. Or it could also stay up there, all the way up in the North Pole with my friend Laura. Okay, everyone, stay safe. Happy New Year, and take care. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.